Hello everyone, welcome to Divya's Kitchen. This is my first video and today I am going to share the finger licking recipe of Palak paneer. It is one of the most liked dish in India. You can prepare it at any occasion, either at lunch or dinner. Even if you are inviting somebody at your place, surely everyone will love it. So let's start. Okay, so first of all, the ingredients you will have 500 grams of palak, that is spinach, 200 grams of paneer, that is Indian cheese, onion chopped, finely chopped 2 onions, 1 tomato finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of cream, ghee, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger chopped, 2 green chilies, 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter, and in masala you need red chili powder half spoon, salt 1 spoon, turmeric powder half spoon, garam masala half spoon, and little bit of jeera. First of all, we need to boil the spinach leaves. So let's get started. So we will put all the spinach in pressure cooker, or you can even boil it in patila if you do not have cooker at your place. So now I have added whole of my spinach to my pressure cooker, and now I'm going to add half quantity of salt in this, and then I will leave it on my gas for cooking. So okay, I have kept here it on my stove for boiling, and it will be ready in 10 minutes. And meanwhile I am preparing tadka for palak paneer. First of all, a patila. You can even prepare it in kadhai if you do not have patila at your place. So I'm adding ghee. So this is desi ghee. If you want to avoid desi ghee, you can add any oil like sunflower oil or olive oil if you want to avoid ghee. So I've added ghee, it's melting. Meanwhile, I'll add little bit of jeera. So as jeera will start crackling, we will put all other ingredients one by one. Okay, now I have added jeera and let the ghee heat up, and my jeera will start crackling. Okay, now my jeera is started crackling. So now I'm adding garlic that I had chopped earlier. When this garlic will be golden brown, we will add onion to it. So yeah, nice aroma. I love the aroma of garlic. Okay, now you can see the garlic is brown at edges. Now I am adding all onions that we had chopped earlier, and let them become golden brown also. Meanwhile, we can reduce the flame little bit so that our onions do not burn. So we can put it on medium flame. There's a one tip that I'm going to give you. If you want to saute your onions fast and make them brown fast, you can add little bit of salt, which will help cooking onions very fast. Okay, so now here our onions are cooked. They have become translucent, as you can see here. Now I am going to add ginger in it. So I have added ginger. Stir it little. And the 2 chilies. Okay, now you see here I have made a slit in chilies. This slit is very important because otherwise sometimes these chilies while cooking pop, and they can really harm you. They can splat with oil, so it's better to make a slit in your chili. Okay, stir it and cook it a little bit. Okay, my ginger and chilies are a little bit cooked, and we are ready to put our tomatoes. Stir them well and cook them till our tomatoes become mushy and soft and leave their skin. Okay, now you can see our tomatoes are ready. They are mushy, they are soft. Now I'm adding this chili, little bit of chili. Okay, leftover salt and turmeric powder. So everything goes in our cooking pot. We won't add garam masala at this stage. This is a secret. We will add garam masala at secret stage. Okay, so now palak is boiled. Now we have to mash it. You can mash it either with a hand blender or you can mash it in a mixer grinder. But make sure that before you mash it, it should be cool enough so that it doesn't splatter out while mashing. Okay, so now my palak is mashed. You can see it here. And this is my tadka which we made earlier. So we are going to mix both of them. Okay, mix it well. And now you can add your paneer to it. Sometimes the paneer is very soft, so in that case you should not add it at this minute, but you should add it at time of serving. Okay, now I will cook my paneer as this is in little hard form. This is not very soft paneer, and I'll cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, let's see. It looks yummy, I think. Yeah, the paneer is very soft now. So our secret masala time, that is garam masala. Now we will add our garam masala and turn off our stove and mix it. And it's time for serving palak paneer. Okay, now we are going to add half of the butter into this and mix it well, and half of the cream. This cream and butter gives it very rich flavor, and it will be yummy if we add these two. Without these two you can serve, but it will be good if you serve it with butter and cream. And last of all, we will garnish it with remaining butter in the center and leftover cream. Make a swirl around it, and you can decorate it with the coriander, fresh coriander leaves. So our palak paneer is ready to eat, and you can serve it with our flat Indian breads like naan, chapati, and I'll be posting my further videos to make those Indian flatbreads. Please subscribe me if you like this video and give me likes. Okay, bye bye.